Best crypto to buy now the 12th of July. Mina Protocol, Compound, Solana. Major cryptocurrencies are trading with a modestly positive bias on Tuesday, but are still mostly within recent ranges ahead of Wednesday's key U.S. inflation data. Bitcoin was last trading up around 1% in the last 24 hours in the $30,600 area, while Ether was last around $1,870. Positive reporting in the crypto press regarding BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund (ETF) application could be acting as a mild tailwind for sentiment. Reports allege that BlackRock's application goes beyond the surveillance of spot trading to also include an agreement to share exchange user data with regulators, should they so request it. This could further boost the likelihood that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approves the Wall Street giant's ETF application. For crypto investors keen to diversify their holdings away from blue-chip names like Bitcoin and Ether, here are some of the best coins to consider buying on Tuesday. Mina Protocol, Mina. Mina, the native token that powers the ZK Snarks-powered Mina Protocol blockchain, continues to trend to the downside within the confines of a bearish trend channel that has been in play since February. Mina, USD was last in the $0.45s, reversing back under its 21 and 50-day moving averages after probing multi-week highs in the 52 cents area earlier in the session. Whilst Mina's technical outlook remains bearish, if the cryptocurrency is able to break out of its bearish trendline, it could see substantial medium-term gains, hence why it could be a good crypto to buy. DLance, DLANCE. An innovative new Web3 project called DLance is building a crypto and NFT-powered metaverse that, in an industry first, puts the jobs market on the blockchain. The project, which is touted as one of 2023's hottest crypto startups, is building a metaverse to unite freelancers and employers and promises to overhaul remote working forever, as well as the $761 billion recruitment sector. Using the decentralization and transparency of the blockchain, DLance wants to remove overly powerful middlemen like Fiverr and Upwork that have been abusing freelance workers and employers alike for the last decade. DLance is already generating huge hype in Web3 circles, and some observers think could upend the still very Web2 platform-centric freelance, gig work economy. The project has already raised a whopping near $1.5 million in just a few months since the launch of its $DLANCE token pre-sale. DLance also recently secured a huge $1.12 million strategic investment from top venture capital firm Bitgert Ventures, a sign that institutions are increasingly taking note of the project's potential. Investors are encouraged to move quickly to secure tokens, as when the pre-sale hits $1.7 million, the price will rise from its current super cheap $0.038 level. Given that DLANCE will debut on major cryptocurrency exchanges later this year at 57 cents, investors who get in now can be sat on gains of around 50%. Adding to the excitement is a massive $500,000 DLANCE token giveaway competition that DLance is conducting. The top 5 wallets that buy the most DLANCE between now and the end of pre-sale stage 4 will be rewarded with a share of $500,000 worth of DLANCE tokens. DLANCE can be bought using ETH, BNB and USDT, the ERC20 and BEP20 variants. Compound, Comp. The token that powers the Compound Finance decentralized finance, DeFi, lending, borrowing protocol, is pumping again on Tuesday. Comp was last up close to 10% on the session above $65 per token as the bullseye a retest of yearly highs above $70. A break above this key resistance zone would open the door to a swift rally towards the next major resistance zone at $93, meaning near-term gains in the region of 40% are highly possible. Solana, SOL. With Solana having recovered back to over 66% versus its post-SEC FUD lows around $13 per token to the $22 region, things are looking technically bullish for the cryptocurrency. SOL, which powers the high-performance smart contract-enabled Solana Layer 1 blockchain, recently broke to the north of a long-term downtrend. Bulls are now targeting a test of key long-term resistance levels around $26 to $27, $39 and $48.